LGCY Innovation Hub is connective tissue between great ideas and commercialization.
We can take your product and scale it up or do experimental fermentations and help people get their product out to market.
The LGCY acronym stands for Learning, Growth, Creativity, and then YXE. So we're interested in people here and in Saskatchewan and the things that people do great in Saskatchewan here.
We have a dearth of fermentation solutions in North America, to the point where we're losing business to places like Europe and Southeast Asia. And so we need fermentation capacity. Fermentation is what we do well at 9 Mile Legacy Brewing. So we thought, why not us? Why don't we provide that platform for people to connect?
We've recently partnered up with the GAP, the Global Agri-Food Advancement Partnership. GAP is able to help innovators get started and start scaling up, and from there we can take what they're doing on the bench and help them get into fermenter sizes that are closer to what you would need in order to prove a concept and continue on your commercialization journey.
Our partnership with AgWest Bio has been great. We've accessed some funding, which has helped with staffing and equipment and stuff like that. But a greater piece is the ecosystem and the community, the networking, and how you can create collaboration and just figure out how to add and be part of the ag value chain.
Right now, everyone's trying to look at how to be more sustainable and looking at resources that we have in Saskatchewan that may not be valuable, but we have in abundance, and then looking at that, using that, creating a product through innovation to create valuable resources.
I really hope that people in our space feel excited about kind of the possibilities. So beer and beyond is kind of the thing that we're interested in.
If you have an idea and you want to see it through, we're the place to do that.
I know from experience that if you connect great people with great ideas and you help them commercialize, you change things for the better. So we're building better beverages at LGCY Innovation Hub, and we're excited for people to come along with us.